Hey guys, welcome to another video of VW Mods. So it's a quick little project because everybody's inside their house, don't know what to do, they're sick and tired of playing video games, even if Warzone's amazing, even if Valorant is coming out, so all these things are pretty cool, but some people still want to play on their cars, work on their cars, so this is a quick little project that anybody could do, very cheap. All the links are in the description below to get these products. It's pretty simple, very cheap, and people are afraid to do it, but you guys should do it. But just before we start that video, I would like to announce that I'm doing a contest to help me bring the channel to 1,000 subscribers. I know it's easy to get 1,000 subscribers, but for me it's a little bit hard, so maybe a contest will help me. So we're currently at 700, I want to get 1,000, so what I'm going to do is just make a little contest. You just got to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and the prize will be a $100 gift card on Amazon, electronic gift card, so it's easy to me to send it anywhere in the world via email or text message. When I select the winner, he'll tell me what he wants, and I'll send him the money so he can buy anything he wants for his projects on Amazon or toilet paper. So guys, let's get this project on, and thanks for watching. So guys, today what we're going to be doing is removing this black gloss wrap and going with something more plastic dip, but this is Protect Dip 2.0, and we're going to finish it off with a gloss little final coat. So let's remove the wrap on this big bad boy. So guys, so now we're ready for Protect Dip Black 2.0. So what you want to do is shake this for at least 1 minute, and after that you just spray in light fashion for the first coat. So just side to side strokes, just to leave a little thing on it. Make sure to get the sides. I like to go a little bit heavy like that. You let it dry. You see, you still see the chrome of it. Cross it, let it dry like that, and always rotate it, guys, from underneath. Always rotate it so your spray doesn't go at the same place all the time. And you want to do this like 2 times, and after go heavy on the other coats. Alright guys, see you in a bit. So guys, I just did the second coat, and you can see already how smoother it is, and it looks way nicer than the wrap. It's for people that don't like the matte finish. Well, that's why we're gonna install the gloss on it. So something to keep in mind, just has to do the rounds. See the edges over here? I'm still missing there. I haven't covered that enough. So that's what we're gonna do on this coat. Focus on the sides and re-give a heavy coat. Okay, so we're done with our flat coat, black. So you see all the sides are well done. You don't want to really touch it, but all the sides are beautiful. And yeah, so we're gonna go with our clear look. But if you want the satin finish, you're probably finished there. And look how nice and even this thing is compared to the vinyl wrap that I used to have. So this for me is the way to go for sure. And I'll keep on doing it. I tried the vinyl, didn't like it. I like the gloss finish of it. So that's why we're putting a gloss coat here right now. So the same thing with the gloss. You want to go light the first coat and heavy on the 2 second coats, on the second and third coat to be exact. So yeah, so shake this well 1 minute and apply it, and again from left to right, left to right, left to right, up and down, and you should be good. There you have it, guys. 3 coats of gloss makes a nice little finish. And don't forget to subscribe and comment for you guys a chance to win a $100 gift card on Amazon. Electronic gift card anywhere in the world, guys. So subscribe, help the family out, and remember, guys, stay cool.